Hi, LeafLea sent me these tea bags so that I could use them, try them, and give you my opinion about them. And I was so excited to try these because they're turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. And I love the combo of these. I have at times made my own with the turmeric, with the ginger, with the cinnamon, and what a pain. So I was so glad to be able to have all in one tea bag because I do like drinking this kind of tea. So this is really good because they are really nice tea bags. First of all, they are like this. You can see how they're kind of that turmeric color. And I'm going to show you what the tea looks like in a clear coffee mug like this. They are caffeine-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, and fat-free, which is awesome. So let me get my boiling water. It's just almost boiling. There we go. And so you'll see right away, we're getting some of that turmeric color. And like I said before, I love making my own turmeric, ginger, cinnamon tea. I seriously do. And I'm just so glad to be able to do it all in one really convenient tea bag that I can take to work with me. The cinnamon is the key on this to really making it taste good. That's what I really love. So thanks again to LeafLea for the tea bags. I love this. I drink this and I do recommend it. Thanks.